You're so goddamn pretty, 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 baby. Yeah, you're so goddamn pretty, 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 baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mila Simone. In today's video, you guys, it's gonna be a entrepreneurship video, of course. However, it's just gonna be a inventory haul. I received some new packages, so I just wanted to unbox them on camera with you guys, tell you what I'm gonna be using them for, where I purchased them from, so on and so forth. So yes, without further ado, girl, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm super excited. I love it. All right, you guys, so the first thing I have is some packaging from USPS. I ordered these. I'm not sure what size they are. I think they're too big, but I ordered like 25 of them. And I just wanted to get some sample boxes just to see if the things that I have will fit in them, but I think these are way too big. I definitely don't think I need a box this big to put a cup in. But yes, nice little life hack. If you create a business account, which is free to do on USPS.com, you can apply and qualify for free boxes, free packaging, and they will send them directly to your house, bring them right at your front doorstep. So that's really nice. All right, you guys, so here we have our Amazon package. I ordered this came pretty fast actually. I ordered this like 3 or 4 days ago, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I ordered. Ooh, come through packaging. So I ordered some Teflon sheets. I think they come with like 3 in a pack. Yeah, set of 3. And basically Teflon sheets are used for the protection of your clothing whenever you're putting something underneath the heat press. So like, say for instance, I wanted to put a saying on this shirt, I'd lay it down on the heat press, put whatever type of vinyl I wanted to use on top of it, and then cover it with the Teflon sheet. It just helps so that your clothing material doesn't get burned. Ooh, let's see. This is what I was really excited for. These are the cups, I think. All right, you guys, so these are just some clear cups. They also sell these at Michael's. You can order a bulk load on Michael's too, but you can't pick them up in store. You have to order it online. But yeah, they're just some clear little acrylic cups, should I say. So the next thing I ordered, you guys, I feel like I'm far away. Let me get closer so y'all can like see me better. So the next shipment that I received is a cup cradle. I purchased this, mind you guys, keep in mind all of these things that I'm showing you right now are from Amazon. But I purchased this cup cradle, and if you don't know what a cup cradle is, for all of my fellow crafters out there, if you do like tumblers or if you put like vinyl and stuff on cups, this is for you, honey. I've always wanted one of these. I feel like it'll just make my life so much easier. It's called a cup cradle, and basically all it is just like something somebody handmade. I low-key could have made one of these myself, but y'all, I'll be lazy. I'm not a handy woman at all. I do not like putting stuff together. I just don't. But basically, I'm gonna get one of my cups so I can show y'all how it goes. Just for an example. So you take it and you lay your cup in there like so, and then that way this sits flat on the table, and then you're able to like put the vinyl on it or whatever it is that you're doing to the cup without the cup rolling around or falling off the table. So yeah, very convenient, super cute. Oh, okay, I was wrong, you guys. You set it on this side. It sits on this side on the table, like that. And then the cup sits, it lays in the cradle. Kind of like a baby in a rocking chair or in a crate. I'm so sleepy and hungry, y'all. I'm delirious at this point. You get the point. The cup goes in there, and then you're able to put the vinyl on it without it rolling around or coming out of place. It also came with a scraper, which is really cute. And here's the big one, you guys. This is what I'm mostly excited for. Ta-da! If you run an online store, this is super essential to you, girl. I promise you. But this is called the Rollo Logistics label printer, and this is what people use to print off their shipping labels. So yes, granted, you can use like a regular laser printer to copy the shipping labels and stuff like that, print them off and then tape them on the box, but this just saves you so much more ink, money, and time, okay? Because for one, you send it through the computer and it prints directly off of here. 2, it's a thermal label printer, so you don't have to buy more ink for it. It's heat activated. There were a lot of positive reviews on this one specifically because I did my research, y'all, and I was like, first I was gonna go with the Dymo label printer because that's also a very popular one. But then people were saying like how their Dymo label printers stopped working on them, and I was like, oh no baby. We're gonna open it up because I'm really curious to see what it looks like. I hope it works, y'all. It's kind of going to be a little difficult for me to see if the printer works just because I don't have my website up and running yet, but I'll probably print off like a sample sheet just to see, make sure it's working properly. Oh wow. Okay guys, so this is the label printer itself. It's so sleek, so freaking cute, and it just gives me like real boss vibes, period. So this is what it looks like. Super duper cute. And then it has this little Rolo icon right here, the little logo. And then I'll have to figure out how to work this later. It comes with instructions, of course, which is nice. And I think you can also call customer support because they left a number on one of their little business cards that they included in the box. So that brings me to the next package. I didn't expect for it to be this big, but it is, so whatever. I gotta put it together, y'all. I do not like putting stuff together, but hopefully it'll be easy. I think it comes with directions. Yeah, it does. Anyways, there is no placement holder for the Rolo labels. So basically, when you get your labels, they're on a roll. And I mean, if you're just gonna let it sit on the table, that's fine. But for a more professional, organized look, I wanted to go ahead and purchase the stand. So there's some way that you put this together, and then you could set the roll on the stand, and then it just will roll off the stand as it goes into the printer. So yes, that's what this is. I'm not too excited about me having to put it together, but here it is. The last item that I have from Amazon is some extra label paper. So it is the 4x6 shipping labels, and you get 500 of them. And they have them nice in package. So it's just paper, and it's sticky paper, which is the nice thing about it. That's why I was saying it's so convenient to have a label printer, because you don't have to use like tape and use ink from your regular printers or anything like that. It just automatically comes with sticky paper, and you just peel it off and stick it onto the box, and you're on your way to the post office. You're done. That concludes everything I purchased from Amazon. Now moving on to our next big package. It is from hogoutfitters.com. The first thing we have is a little stainless steel soda can, you guys. I purchased, let's see how many of these I purchased. I think I purchased 12 of these, and I'm gonna do something really cool with these, you guys. They're super duper cute, and I ordered 12 of those. So really quickly, I'm just gonna go through and make sure they gave me all 12. Oh no, they sent me tall soda cans and short soda cans. That's not what I asked for. That's not what I asked for. I asked for all short soda cans. So they gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the short ones and 6 of the tall ones. Ew, girl. 6 of the tall soda cans and 6 of the short soda cans. I asked for the short soda cans because I feel like that would work better for what I'm trying to do. But they sent me the tall ones also. So I'm gonna have to specify if I choose to order from them again, like, no, I wanted short soda cans. These are the sippy cups. These are so freaking cute. I want to make sure they're not cracked or anything. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, how cute is that? All right, you guys. So now on to the next item. The next thing I ordered were the Mickey Mouse acrylic tumblers. These are so adorable. One thing I love about this is the fact that it is double wall insulated. The next thing I ordered were the handy slurp tumblers. I purchased 3 of these. Oh, it's huge. Y'all, this is huge. This is so large. What is this? Why did it come off like that? Maybe you can put like your peels or something in here. So anyways, this is what it looks like, you guys. It's actually a dome shaped tumbler. These are super duper cute, and they do come with straws, but they actually sent me the straws in separate packaging. And if anybody's curious, this is a 20 ounce. Now, last but not least, so the next thing I ordered were the 16 ounce acrylic tumblers. And I'm gonna show you guys what those look like. And this one is also double wall insulated. I actually already have some of these in stock. And that's one of the reasons why I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and order some more. They might be slightly different, or maybe not. I don't know. I have to look at them and compare them, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Last but not least, you guys, I ordered 10 of the 20-ounce skinny tumblers. So let me count really quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, yeah, there's 10 in here. So I'm gonna show you guys what those look like. Yes, just what I wanted. So this one's a little bit taller. It's a little bit over 20 ounces, but just about the same. So it might be like 20.8 or something like that. But anyways, these are the original tumblers that I have, and now I am completely out of stock. I'll probably end up keeping this one for myself, just for the simple fact that if you take a look right here, the top, it's not the tumbler that I have an issue with. It's the top. Like, there's no little sliding lid where you can close your drink once you're done with it, because if you're like me, you're very picky about stuff like that. I don't like just leaving my drink out in the open for like, I don't know, y'all, I be thinking the darndest stuff. I be like, honey, I don't want hair particles and dust and pollen from the air pollution going into my drink. So even though the straw goes right here, or you can have the option of using a straw or no straw at all, but long story short, you don't have any control over closing this. Now, I could buy a different lid for this. The new tumblers that I ordered from Hog Outfitters, they actually have the sliding lids, and once again, those did come with straws, but they are packaged separately. These are the clear straws they came with. That brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now, girl, the killer question is, where the hell is it finna go? Because when I tell you I have no more space in here, maybe I'll go to IKEA or something and get a bookshelf, so therefore I can put the cups up on the shelf and like visually see which cups I still have in stock, because I don't know how that's gonna work with these cups all stacked on top of each other in a big old box tucked away underneath the table. Like, I just don't know how that's gonna work. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to the channel, girl, and turn on those post notifications so that you are always notified when new content is uploaded here on my channel. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.